Morning, it is day 9 and we are going to go to Slip and Slide, the water park. I think it's one of the biggest in Europe actually, so I'll try and get some footage, but I'm not sure how much we'll be able to get because I'm not sure how much I'm going to have my phone with me, so... Service station in the middle of nowhere on the side of a motorway because someone needed a toilet break, so could be a while before we get there. Everybody's gone to the toilet now apart from me, so it's just me and baby really now. I think he's still fast asleep though. Yep, fast asleep.
So we've got a nice takeaway coffee from the service station at junction 6 on the A22, I think it is, on our way to Splash and Slide, I think it is. It's quite frankly, oh, watch this. Oh, it's disgusting. It's 75 cents and it's like, oh.
Well, we're all really enjoying it here at the water park today. Cove's having a sleep, so I'm making the most of the nice peacefulness.
Well,
anyway, awake. But Sienna and Daddy are now going to do the black hole.
Thank you, Bob. Okay.
We've now finished at Slide and Splash. We've been there, well, it's now 3 o'clock, so we've been here a long while. But it's beautiful weather. It's been really good actually. It's nice the way everything's together in just one big thing, so all the slides, even from medium difficulty to harder ones, are all in the same place. It's quite easy to get to them, and there was no queues today, so it's been a good day actually. So we're just gonna head back.
Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen.
So I've had a great day today. Been out at the water park, and now we're back for tea. So we're going to be cooking some chicken, some chips, keeping it a little bit English. Chicken and chips and a few baked beans, and they're actually Heinz as well, which makes it even better. So that was a fantastic Friday.